Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest tech and gadgets designed to enhance your everyday life. Today, we're excited to introduce the ZOSKVEE smartwatch for women and men, a stylish, multifunctional smartwatch that takes convenience to a whole new level. Imagine having the power to dial and answer calls right from your wrist, all while tracking your fitness goals and staying connected on the go. Whether you're hitting the gym, attending a business meeting, or simply out for a walk, the ZOSKVEE smartwatch seamlessly integrates into your lifestyle. In this video, we'll explore its standout features, including customizable watch faces, health monitoring tools, and its sleek design that fits any occasion. Plus, we'll show you exactly how to set it up and make the most of its capabilities. So, if you're ready to elevate your smartwatch experience, let's jump in and discover everything the ZOSKVEE smartwatch has to offer.
Stay connected and in control with the smartwatch for men/women, featuring Alexa built-in for hands-free convenience. This 1.8 fitness tracker is compatible with both Android and iPhone, making it perfect for everyone. Track your heart rate, steps, and more with ease, while enjoying seamless Bluetooth calls and notifications. Elevate your fitness and lifestyle in one sleek device.
Experience seamless connectivity with the smartwatch for Android iPhone, featuring call receive, dial, message reading, and AI control. The vibrant 183 HD screen and IP67 waterproof design make it perfect for all-day wear. Track your blood pressure, heart rate, SPO2, and sleep patterns with advanced monitoring features. With its multi-sport tracker, this smartwatch is the ultimate fitness companion for both men and women.
Stay connected and in control with the smartwatch for men/women, featuring Alexa built-in and answer make calls capabilities. Its stunning 183 HD display tracks fitness metrics like sleep, SPO2, and heart rate for complete wellness monitoring. Perfect for an active lifestyle, this smartwatch blends convenience and advanced health tracking in one stylish package.
Stay connected and active with the smartwatch for men/women. Answer, make, call, 2024 HD 191 smartwatch. This sleek fitness tracker features a crystal clear display, allowing you to easily manage calls and notifications. With advanced fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, and 100+ sports modes, it keeps your health in check. A perfect companion for a busy, active lifestyle.
Upgrade your fitness and lifestyle with the Tozo S5 smartwatch, featuring a stunning 1.43 AMOLED display and built-in calling functionality. Track your workouts with 100+ sport modes and monitor your blood oxygen, sleep, and heart rate for optimal health. Its IP68 waterproof rating makes it perfect for all activities, indoors or outdoors.